in seeking to build this collective ethos, the integrity of the political leadership of the country must not be in doubt. It is vital if we are to build trust. That is why, Mr. Speaker, I am not proclaiming that the Integrity Commission is right in all they do or supporting this or that, but I am saying that if we are to mobilize people to achieve great things, they must believe that us collectively are people of honor, goodwill, and trustworthy. And so we, as much as anybody else, need an integrity commission that works, because it is that which will assure the country that we inside here are people who can be trusted by and large. And we need that, because we do as much damage to each other with allegations as anybody else. So we need the independent body, but that body needs to function.